The process of what?
Try that. No, we're going to make one video next time.
It's good. That's okay. Sneak peek. You guys don't.
Chocolate.
Straight from the cacao. Straight from the tree.
Another pot. So.
There's a whole process. Next time we'll get the whole process.
Blend it up, and everything, and heat it and everything. But we're going to do another one soon.
Soon come.
I have a good blender coming on Tuesday.
Wow.
Really
it looks rich. That's gonna make the heart happy.
Nice one.
Look at this.
That's a proper rich
Chef.
chocolate, man.
Chef 1 and Chef 2. That looks divine. Ratatouille. So what now? You're gonna freeze it?
Yeah, we're gonna freeze it and now and
in the
chest freezer? Later on. The deep freezer.
Okay. Yummy. Here's some clay from the river. I'm gonna do a little face mask with it. The clay. We're gonna do a little face mask. Exfoliation. You want some? Yes, please. It feels nice with the dead skin cells. I'm sure there's lots of minerals in it as well from the river. Medicine for the skin. Chile on the forecast of the river. Bit chilly. It's roughly chilly degrees.
You guys.
Ready for what? Oh! Cold plunge. Good for your soul and your heart and your body. And your organs. Are you zooming in on my limestone rock? And it's the same one in the last video at Blue Lagoon. Look at that face mask consistency. Full of minerals. Look at our little friend that she found. Is it a snail? I mean, this side's like shiny. Hi, friend.
Seen this a couple of times.
This is getting dry. They're cleaning the bathtubs out here by the riverside. They're gonna light a little fire under there and it's gonna heat it up and make a nice little.
But fill them up. I only use them. What if I would?
Alright, I'm gonna get a chocolate. They ate all that already? rotted. That's fine, because I'm gonna get most of this. Taking the chocolate down to the river so we can enjoy it. This is the life, man. Natural chocolates by the river. Good life. We're going to work now. Got on my bush pants.
I feel like Jack and Jill went up the hill to find the barrel
To fetch the pail of water. Here's the gravel.
Right, so you just
We're working. Build my own home. We're transferring some gravel over to the outdoor.
This is quite heavy, actually.
It's a good song. So this is the bathroom. Here's the dirt that we are transferring over. It's a cute little bamboo number. Look at that. Oh man, just gonna straighten out the floor. Working hard for what? Bathroom is what we are putting our energy into right now. It's all for something quite heavy.
these are yeah man.
Oh.
These are sweet pepper.
Oh,
We can plant them somewhere. And this is basil. These are the basil. If I broke it up
Looks
one
a bit
these,
sad.
all of them we need to
Yeah.
put them like in a little container with water to rehydrate them and let them like come back together.
Like one of these.
No, like a bottle. Like them do well. Like if you break off a piece of this now and stick it in a glass of water, it starts to
It
catch.
will, yeah.
And then I have some more seeds. But like this, we can use one of them containers. We're gonna use these two. So we can like, this is really good. I mean, this is amazing soil in essence. So we can take this and just like fill up these. And then the seeds, let me get the seeds and show you. Alright.
What is it?
We got watermelon, we got cabbage, we got okra, we got zucchini, and some parsley.
Question mark.
Yeah, man.
The Bushman.
22 bushman.
We trust the bushman. Okay, so I'll bit off of the ground. Yeah. I'm doing them stuff here over there.
Oh, I should put it in the suitcase. No? Okay. No importa. I'm gonna plant some seeds.
Just fill up here. Okay.
We've got our pots with soil. Hands are dirty the way it should be. Yes. Free your mind. I like your shirt.
Mustard.
Watermelon seeds. Whoa. Well, yeah, they're like the seeds that come in the watermelon.
Them one a big bit and mustard. We just drop one in them. Maybe do like 6 of them.
Cover it over. Am I gonna get that back?
Cut the cabbage.
Put the cabbage in them. All of this a cabbage. And then girl, all of this with okra.
All of this cabbage.
Yep. All of that.
This is what okra seeds looks like. Interesting.
Cabbage seeds.
Cabbage seeds. How many do I put in here? Just
Put on like two.
2.